Assalamualaikum and very good morning to Encik Rizal. We are from Group 6. We will present case study assessment. My partner is Mugilan and me as Abid. Geometry code is 19DMA21F1040 and for Mugilan 19DMA21F1018. First, problem identification. Section A. Names of welding. Shielded metal arc welding SMAW. For our reason to choosing the SMAW because to perform arc welding using a covered metal electrode rod to shield the welding. Welding is one of the most popular ways to combine two metal parts into one. The flux coating of the electrode rod disintegrates during welding and provides necessary shielding gas. Flux also produces a slag layer on the weld bead, suitable for heavy-duty work involving industrial iron and steel, such as carbon steel and cast iron. Short crucible electrode rods are required to change frequently. The welding cannot be carried out continuously. Process is not very productive as filler deposition rate is low. B. Types of joining and circle the joining area. T-joint, corner joint and butt joint. Safety precautions needs before start, in between and after the welding work. First, safety precautions needs before start welding work. Wear protective glasses, gloves without holes and a proper welding mask. Avoid handling hot equipment or metal that has recently been welded. Make sure the workpiece placed in safe and correct place in a correct way. Don't overuse your equipment as this can cause it to overheat. Be sure the welder is properly installed. Second, safety precautions needs in between welding works. Wear safety equipment such as safety goggles, gloves, face protection, ear muff and etc. Not careless when performing tasks. Provide cooperation with colleges while performing tasks. Make the project according to the lecturer's instruction. Give full attention while performing tasks. Don't talk while performing tasks using sharp tools and hot tools. Third, safety precautions needs after welding works. Store sharp tools in a suitable place that can cause injury. Make sure the machine switch to do welding work is closed properly. Ensure that the place does the work is well cleaned, such as the floor is not slippery with oil stains. Place the tools to the original position and not scattered, and place where tools are stored must be appropriate to the situation.
D. Step for starting the product welding. Safety. To wear PPE, safety boots and goggles, gloves and welding mask. Gather equipment. Chipping hammer, wire brush, clamp, pliers and the welder. Metal cleaning. Clean to increase the quality of welding. Cutting the metal. Correctly cutting the metal equality. Setting up working space. Clean environment and no flammable things around. Welder edges. Make a test before start using the welder. Workpiece. Place in a holder and tight it before weld. Finding. Section B A. Equipment and calibration. Display value. The value of an output produced by a machine as measured by permanent internal device and displayed on the machine. In welding equipment, this will typically refer to level of voltage, current and arc length. Power supply. The power supply used in SMAW has constant current power, ensuring that the current remains relative constant. Set value. A value chosen and set by the operator or by an automatic system. Electrode. The choice of electrode for SMAW depends on a number of factors including weld material, position and desired properties.
3. Discussion. 4 advantages of using selected types of welding. Inexpensive, relatively simple and portable. ability to weld a variety of metals such as carbon, low alloy and others. Filler and shielding materials is provided on the electrode rod. The process is flexible and can be applied to a variety of joint configuration and welding positions. Four disadvantages using selected types of welding. Unable to weld metals with low melting temperatures such as lead, tin and zinc. Too much high current and too long electrode rod generate excessive heat within the electrode rod. The grips end of the electrode rod stub loss that will be thrown away with a small portion of flux can affect the deposition rate. It is not stable for welding reactive metals such as titanium, zirconium, tantalum and niobium because shielding provided is not sufficiently inert. Reference studentlesson.com, www Mechanical Engineer blog, blog welding classroom and wikipedia.org. Thank you.